Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add an analysis report to your NutriNet program. By doing so, you'll receive more accurate and customized fertilization recommendations tailored to your specific growing conditions. Let's get started. First, open the fertilization program you want to update. On the left side of the screen, scroll down to the bottom of the Program Details panel. Click the Add Analysis Report button. A pop-up window will appear with 3 tabs: Soil, Water, and Tissue. Let's go over each one. Adding a soil analysis report. Click on the Soil tab. If you've previously created a soil report for the plot, it will show up in the list. Simply select it to add to the program. Want to create a new one? Click Add New Analysis Report in the top right corner. Fill in the report name, sampling date, and soil type. Then enter the nutrient values from your lab results. You can always change units at the top if needed. Make sure the lab analysis method matches what's listed in your report. For phosphorus, make sure to select the correct analysis method, either Olsen or Bray, based on the method your lab used to measure available phosphorus in the soil. When you're done, click Create and Assign. NutriNet will instantly update fertilization recommendations based on this data. After adding the report, go to the Nutrient Requirements tab. You'll see that the nutrient requirements have been updated based on your soil data. The soil report is now listed in the program's analysis section, and you can replace it at any time. Now let's add a water analysis. Click Add Analysis Report again and select the Water tab. If you already have a water report, simply select it and click Assign Report. To create a new one, click Add New Analysis Report. Enter a name, sampling date, and water source. Then input your lab values and click Create and Assign. Let's view the impact of our water analysis. Back in the Fertilization Recommendations tab, you'll now see a Water Input row. This shows the nutrients supplied by your irrigation water. NutriNet will automatically adjust the fertilizer amounts by subtracting nutrients already provided through irrigation water, helping you optimize inputs and reduce costs. An important note for quantitative programs. Water analysis can only be added to quantitative programs if irrigation data was set during Step 4, Advanced Mode. Without irrigation data, water analysis cannot be used. In proportional programs, however, water analysis can be added without irrigation data, as nutrients are calculated by concentration. After looking into the water, let's move on to the tissue analysis. Click Add Analysis Report and select the Tissue tab. Tissue reports are linked to a specific program and are assigned based on the crop and growth stage. If you've already created a tissue analysis in the My Analysis Management page, you can assign it to your program. Be sure to select the correct report that matches both your crop and the appropriate growth stage. To create a new report, click Add New Analysis Report. Start by selecting the crop you're growing. Keep in mind that tissue analysis is only available for specific crops supported by the NutriNet Tissue Database. Choose the growth stage or stages in your program that you'd like this report to update. You can select just one or several, depending on your needs. After that, pick the actual growth stage when the tissue sample was collected. This step is important as it allows the system to generate accurate recommendations based on the plant's true condition at the time of sampling. A default report name will be generated automatically, but you can edit it if you'd like. Once you enter the sampling date, the system will open the nutrient input fields. Input your lab values, and once everything is complete, click Create and Assign to apply the adjustments to your program. Important note on tissue analysis. Unlike soil and water reports, tissue analysis reports only influence the nutrient recommendations for the specific growth stage you selected, because nutrient levels in plant tissues can vary significantly between stages. Once added, all active reports appear in the Active Reports section of your program. Each report will be labeled by type, soil, water, or tissue. You can replace any report at any time with a more updated version. Now let's go to the Fertilization Recommendations tab to see how your analysis data has updated the program. Soil analysis adjusts your base nutrient values. The water analysis subtracts the nutrients already provided through irrigation, and tissue analysis fine-tunes the recommendations for the specific growth stage you selected. By feeding the system with your specific data, NutriNet ensures that your final fertilization plan is precisely aligned with your crop's actual needs. Congratulations, you now know how to add and manage analysis reports in NutriNet. By using soil, water, and tissue data, you can fine-tune your program for the best possible results. For more help, check out the tutorial on analysis management. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.